Imagine walking into a factory where chaos once reigned, now transformed into structured manufacturing cells. The layout changes have minimized wasted movement, boosting efficiency and productivity. Materials are consistently presented, eliminating time lost to searching. Operators no longer waste time on rework or waiting. Instead, they focus on building, thanks to the new system. This transformation has visibly improved workflow and reduced unnecessary delays. Real-time performance data has revolutionized visibility across shifts and teams. Visual KPIs empower quick, informed decision-making, enhancing operational efficiency. Teams now adapt seamlessly to demand changes thanks to job rotation and a live skills matrix. Cross-training has enabled smarter shift coverage, ensuring stability without sacrificing performance. The result? A significant drop in quality issues and rework, leading to a more streamlined production process. The first completed works order achieved a 98% yield, setting a new company record. This remarkable achievement highlights the effectiveness of the new systems in place. Lead time has plummeted from over 45 days to just 1. The client team now boasts 100% on-time delivery without overtime, showcasing the power of efficient systems over hard work. Efficiency stems from building better systems, not pushing harder. The client team achieved remarkable results by focusing on smarter processes, not increased effort. Join us in embracing smarter systems for sustainable success. By refining processes, you'll achieve efficiency and excellence without overexertion. Aim to build a future where systems work for you, not the other way around. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoyed the fourth part of this case study. Watch out for the last episode to see the conclusion, or get in touch for the full thing if you can't wait. Tune in tomorrow to see the summary of the results and the impact they had on the client's business. Looking forward to seeing you then. If you missed all of the previous episodes, they were shown on the last 3 consecutive days, or you can catch them all on our website.